Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 33 on the topic atomic structure. Let's move on to the assignment. Here the first question, the angular momentum mvr equal to. We know that Bohr has explained that angular moment of an electron. So he proposed a formula that is mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. So mvr equal to nh by 2 pi, right? So here n equal to number of orbit, the orbit's number, and h equal to Planck constant, and m equal to mass of the electron, v equal to velocity of electron, and r equal to radius of an atom. So angular momentum mvr equal to nh by 2 pi. So the correct option is first option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, which of the following is correct? Right? Here they have given 4 options. If you observe each and every option, the units are centimeter per second, right? So these units are indicates the velocity, right? So here he is asking about the velocity of an electron, right? The formula for the velocity of an electron. So velocity of an electron, v equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 into z by n centimeter per second. So here z equal to atomic number, and n equal to orbit number. So the correct option is third option, sorry. 2.18 into 10 power 8 z by n centimeter per second. Let's move on to the next question. Here the angular momentum of an electron in the M shell of hydrogen atom, right? We know that each and every atom contain number of shells, in which shell the electron are revolving around the nucleus, right? For example, this is an atom, this middle point is the nucleus. The blue center point is the nucleus. Around the nucleus, the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in circular paths. These paths are called as shells, right? So each and every shell has a particular number that indicate by the principal quantum number, right? So the nearest shell which is nearest to the nucleus, that is K shell, and next one is L shell, and next one is M shell, right? So each and every shell has the principal quantum number. So K has principal quantum number, that is n equal to 1. K has principal quantum number, that is n equal to 1. Here L value n equal to 2, and M n equal to 3, right? So here we need to find the angular momentum of an electron. So the formula for the angular momentum, mvr equal to nh by 2 pi, right? So here n is the orbit number. So we need to find the m shells, that is m orbit, right? So what is the m shells n number? That is n equal to 3. So just substitute that m value, mvr equal to 3h by 2 pi. So this is the angular momentum for the M shell of hydrogen atom. So the correct option is first option. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, which of the following is correct? They have given different relations. So first option is velocity of an electron always inversely proportional to orbit number. And second option is velocity of an electron directly proportional to orbit number. And the third option is velocity of an electron directly proportional to n square, right? So here the correct relation is the velocity of an electron always inversely proportional to orbit number, right? If the orbit number increase, the velocity will decrease, right? Because orbit number increasing means the electron will be very far from the nucleus. Electron will be very far from the nucleus. So if the velocity of an electron increases, the orbit number decrease. So the correct relation is first relation. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, the velocity of electron in second orbit of hydrogen atom is. So what is the formula for velocity of an electron? V equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 into Z by N centimeter per second. Centimeter per seconds, right? So here Z is the atomic number. Atomic number. So what is the atomic number of hydrogen? That is 1. And N equal to orbit number. N equal to orbit number. So they have given the orbit number, that is second orbit. So orbit number equal to 2. So then velocity V equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 into 1 by 2 centimeter per second, right? Then the velocity V equal to 1.09 into 10 power 8 centimeter per second. So this is the velocity of second orbit of the hydrogen atom, right? So the correct option is first option. So with this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.